Hi all, welcome to the new video of Computer Fundamentals and HTML. In this video we are going to discuss definition, characteristics and types of computers. First of all, we are going to discuss the definition of a computer. So, a computer is a device that receives information, processes information and outputs information. Computers are electronic machines designed to accept data called input, perform operations upon this data called data processing, and present it to the user in an acceptable format called output. Now, moving to the characteristics of computers. A computer has the following characteristics: speed, accuracy, capability, high storage capacity, flexibility, and no intelligence. First one, speed. A computer is a very fast device. Computer makes calculations at an amazing speed without any mistakes. Moving to the second characteristic, that is accuracy. Computers are very accurate. Operations performed will be perfect. Third point, capability. Computers can be used to operate upon any kind of data and any amount of data. And next, high storage capacity. Computers can store large amount of data and information in a very small space, and any part of it can be retrieved as when required in a microsecond. Now, moving to next characteristics, that is flexibility. Computers are flexible in the sense that they can be made to do any job and versatile in nature. And last point, no intelligence. Computers cannot make any judgment of their own. Users can give instructions and based on these instructions, computer works. These are the characteristics: speed, accuracy, capability, high storage capacity, flexibility and no intelligence. Now, moving to the features of new generation computers. Fifth generation computer from 1986 onwards, that is the era of artificial intelligence. The features are more reliable, works faster, easily portable. You can move from one place to another in different sizes, having size from palm to big large size. Then different features, different affordable prices, extra high processing speed, parallel processing and wireless. Now, moving to the types of computers, we have the following categories: mainframe computer, mini computer, workstations and personal computers. We are moving to the first type, that is mainframe computers. Mainframe computers are large sized, powerful multi-user computers that can support concurrent programs used by large organizations such as international universities and international organizations. Now, moving to mini computers. Mini computers are mid-sized multi-processing computers. That means 100 users can connect with this computer. Organizations use a mini computer for tasks such as managing or maintaining large databases. Then moving to our next category, that is workstation computers. These computers are in between personal computers and mini computers. These are single user computers, need high quality graphics and a lot of memory. They have the capability to store and process large quantity of data used for a computer aided design. Now moving to personal computers, microcomputers. These are also called microcomputers. They are based on microprocessor. Most popular types of computers in use today are personal computers. PCs are used for a wide range of tasks including accounting, processing and database management. We have two types of personal computers, first one desktop and second portable. Now moving to desktop computers. Desktop computers are PC personal computers which is intended for regular use at a single location, designed to lie flat on a desk, having separate keyboards and mouse. Now moving to next category, that is portable computers, the PC. It is to be moved from one location to another place and includes a display and keyboard. Examples are laptop, tablet, iPad, PDA. First one, a laptop. They are also called a notebook. It is a personal computer for mobile use. It includes a display, a keyboard, a mousepad, a speaker into a single unit. Now moving to next portable computer, that is tablet. It is a small laptop computer with a rotatable screen, that is touch screen, as an additional input device and running in a standard operating system. Now iPad. It is a portable computer just like a tablet and it is designed, developed and marketed by Apple company. It is designed, its size and weight fall between these of contemporary smartphones and laptop computers. Now last one, PDA. PDA stands for Personal Digital Assistant. It is also known as a palm top computer or a personal data assistant. It is a mobile device that functions as a personal information manager. Personal digital assistant employ touch screen technology and pen based handwriting recognition technology. So this is about types of computer. Thank you all.